Hello out there. So I'm just looking over the week six, nope, plus one, seven. The week seven spelling words. So the week seven spelling words this week are the basic words are circled there. And for those, you will need to do three things. You'll have to do the colorful vowels, other handed, and something I'm calling red wavy underline. Now that's a reference to how when things are misspelled, like here, for example, activitize. So notice here, when I'm there, when I misspelled something, there's a red wiggly underline. So that's what I want you to do for these. Remember, two finger, and usually it knows how to correct you. So notice what I did here in my sample area. It says brash, red underline, brush. Juice, Joosh, juice. It's actually Juice. And then lastly, fruit, Froot, nope, Fruit. So those are the three things to do, and those are samples. The class did a really good job with those in class, and you can work on those collaboratively in class. And then also the cross puzzle here, pretty straightforward, same as last year. Week. It's been a long day, sorry. The one thing that's a little tricky that you may not have seen before are these patterns. Like can you see 7 across? 7 across says 645, 655, 665, blank, 685. Well, it's going in increments of 10, 45, 55, 65, and the one that fills the pattern is 675. So in number 7 across, right here, that should be 675. I also I don't have one nearby. Oh, yes, I do. I also handed out these, or actually, the distribution manager handed these out. These have for week 7, it's upside down, 7, 8, and 9. This has US currency, units of length, weights, and then order of operations. You might have a question about order of operations. Oh, here we go. So number 3 down, we haven't covered this yet, but you see 3 down? 3 down says, oh, that's across. 3 down says 6 times 100 times 8. So 6 times 100 is 600. 600 times 8, well, 6 times 8 is 48. So the answer to 3 down would be 4,800. And if that's not clear, don't worry. We can answer that for you in class. The other change here is that instead of linking this to week 7, week 8, week 9, I'm just going to link it to trimester 1. So what you can do is the other thing I do, for people who, if you missed it and you want to go back and do it, or if if you would like getting a jump on it next week, for example, you can do that too. So this is weeks all the way up to week 12. So this is week 7. And in week 7, there is this side, which is called CP for cross puzzle. And then the other side, this is called week 7 spelling. That's what that is right there. Oh, and then this helpful info is this thing. Boop. All right, so that's an overview of the cross puzzle for this week. And yeah, that is all. All right. Aloha. Au revoir.